So, Yusuf, to help you understand this, I've got yours up here, but what I think you're doing is you're just plugging in these numbers where what they want you to do is link it to up here. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Okay. I'm going in here. I'm going to click on this Excel and pull it up. So what I am going to do is up here, they have data for me. And so I need to, for example, sales, I'm going to click equals this number, because even if I change this number, the statement will be correct. Cost of goods sold, I'm going to go and equal here, cost of goods sold. Gross margin, I know, is going to be the sales minus the cost of goods sold. So what they want me to do is to create the formulas for this. Selling is going to be equals this plus this will be your selling. The administrative is going to be the variable plus the fixed. This figure is going to be the combination of administrative and selling. The net operating income here will be our gross margin minus the administrative and selling expense to show operating income of 1,000. We're going to do the same with the contribution format statement. We're going to go and show our sales, which is all the way up here. And then our variable expenses. Our cost of goods sold equals there. Our variable selling is going to equal this one. Our variable admin is going to equal this one. And our total for variable costs in this contribution format is going to be 7,000. Therefore, our contribution margin is going to be our 12 minus our variable. Then from there, we're going to show our fixed. So we go equal our fixed selling. Here is our fixed administrative. We're going to total those over here. And our operating income is going to be the 5 minus 4. Now, no matter what the statement, we should be getting the same numbers. We're just breaking it down a little different. Now, here's where the trick is. It tells us, check your work, by changing the variable selling cost in the data area to 900. So it wants us to change this information, variable selling, to 900. If I change that, do you see how because I created the formulas, it's automatically going to now show net operating income of 700. Because I set these formulas up correctly on these statements, if I change the data, it's going to automatically work. That's what I wanted to show you. I hope this is helpful. Now remember, you're going to save this statement here with the changes to your last name, first name, chapter 1.